Want to avoid surprises? Learn to spot volatility on expert option before you trade. Start by opening a clean price chart and selecting a neutral color palette. Step 1. Add the average true range, or ATR, to measure recent volatility. High ATR readings mean bigger price swings. Low ATR means quiet markets. Step 2. Apply Bollinger Bands to visualize volatility contraction and expansion. Watch for band squeezes for low volatility and band breaks for momentum moves. Step 3. Check RSI for overbought or oversold extremes during volatile moves. Confirm signals. Rising ATR plus widening bands and RSI divergence is strong evidence. Tip: use multiple time frames, scan a higher chart, then fine-tune entries on a lower chart. Risk control: tighten position size and widen stops when volatility spikes. Practice these steps on a demo account until you read volatility confidently. Start a demo on expert option now and trade smarter by spotting volatility first.